Now Vibhakti part we are dealing. Vibhakti is really important topic. Really. Vibhakti is heart of Sanskrit. Yes, heart. You will prepare a table like me. Along with me, you will write down. So here, Prathama Vibhakti you can write down. Here, ek vachan, dvivachan, and bahuvachan. I told you in Sanskrit we have bahuvachan. Bahuvachan. And easy names like Prathama Vibhakti. If you follow like Chaturthi and this, then you will know. Like Panchami, Naga Panchami, you will know it. Otherwise, you will have to take more efforts. Like Prathama Vibhakti. See, this you don't write, huh? I'm sorry. Ekvachan, no need. Prathama Vibhakti. इसको हो गया चालू कुछ तो. Prathama Vibhakti. Like that you can write down Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti. We are going to see what it means. Okay. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya. So Prathama Vibhakti you write down. I am not writing. Shit, इसको रोज कुछ तो होता है कंप्यूटर को. या द्वितीया विभक्ति, तृतीया लाइक अक्षय तृतीया, चतुर्थी लाइक संकष्टी चतुर्थी, गणेश चतुर्थी, नाग पंचमी. That is why we need to celebrate festivals. So we remember that. And it is Shashti. Sri Thal. Every time after 7:30, it wants to go back to sleep. Computer wants. Okay, Panchami, Shashti, and Saptami. You write down. And one more is there. We say Sambodhan. We don't say it is 8th Vibhakti, but it is Sambodhan. Okay, Sambodhan. Yeah, you write down. I'm coming with you. Sambodhan. Shashti means 6th case. See, again, I'm telling you, this is heart of Sanskrit. Shashti. And next is Saptami. And then we don't say Ashtami, we say Sambodhan. This much only I will tell you. Then first chapter sentences you can write down. If you have any problem, you let me know. So Prathama Vibhakti. Already I told you Karta means Prathama. So there are names for this. Okay, Karta. Just names, difficult English names also are there. But today just remember all this Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, because I will be asking you, what is Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan? So what is Shashti should be there first. Okay. Karma. This much we know. Because first Prathama Vibhakti, Karta. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Karma. Tritiya Vibhakti is called Karana. We say instrument. There are different names like Prathama Vibhakti, agent, they say. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Karma, accusative. Then instrumental, ablative, different, dative, vocative. All these things are there. Vocative. So first we'll see Sanskrit only. Karana. Next is Sampradana. New word for you. Sampradana. Okay. Next is apadana. Everything has meaning. We'll not go into that, but just superficial meaning I will tell. Sampradana means whenever we give something, that time we use chaturthi vibhakti. Whenever we give something, chaturthi vibhakti. Whenever we offer our salutations like Ganeshaya Namaha, Sri Krishnaya Namaha, that time we say that. And apadana means when one thing separates from another thing, then we say apadana. Adana, apadana. Okay. Not apa, it is apadana. Apa is the upasarga. Okay. Shashti vibhakti is called sambandha. Whenever you want to say any relation, like water of Ganga, then sambandha comes. Saptami means adhikarana. Please work properly. Yes. Okay. What happens, I don't know. Otherwise, it runs very nice. Adhikarana. Okay. Adhikarana. And last one is Sambodhan. You write down. Sambodhana. So, karta, karma, karana. Then Sambodhana. Sampradana, apadana, sambandha, and adhikarana. Adhikarana means locus. Locative case they say in English. Locative, dative, ablative, different names are there. That I will give in next class. Now also I can give, but it will be too much for you. Please, please, please. Adhikarana. Adhikarana means locative case, location. Okay. And next last one is vocative, means Sambodhan. The same name is here. Sambodhana. Okay, it will give me headache. No. Every time this happens. Sambodhana. Okay, I will try here. Sambodhana. Okay, sorry for this. Sambodhana. The bad. ठीक है, चलो. Sambodhana. I can write down with Shivaji font also. Just give me a minute. Okay. This is book font. Sambodhana. Okay. Now we'll see the applications. First, I will tell you in English. Then in Sanskrit also. Hey. Sambodhan, you write down. I'm so sorry for. क्या है यार? Okay. Sambodhana. So we'll start with Prathama Vibhakti means all names. Like in English also. There is no particular rule for that. I will write at the end in English if this doesn't work. Huh? Sambodhan. Finally it came. If device is not proper, Sambodhan. Okay, chalo. So whenever we want to say to, you know, Rama is going to village, then we use Prathama, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti means what? All noun. All noun. Noun, pronoun, all they will come under Prathama Vibhakti. Yeah, English is better. And whenever to, okay, you will say, you will use karma. Okay, karma. Whenever you want to say by or with, that time you will use Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay. Next, for, this is really important, or for the sake of, I want to say that also in English, or if you want to say in order to. Three ways we say in English. That time we can use Chaturthi Vibhakti. For is the more used version. For. Okay. Then Panchami Vibhakti means from. Panchami Vibhakti means what? From. See, this in dream also we should not forget. Like if I ask you what is third Vibhakti means, then by and with. When we use, that time we use third Vibhakti. Then of, sixth case, in and on. What is these? What are applications? We'll see that. So I want to say in Rama I have faith. Then I will use Saptami Vibhakti of Rama. Right? In Rama I have faith. Brother of Rama, I will say sixth case. Of Rama means Rama Shabda, sixth case will come. Okay. And in English we say like hey, we say hey. Like you're calling somebody hey, that time we use that. Okay, again I'm telling karta, karma, karana, sampradhan, apadan, sambandha, adhikaran, sambodhan. This we have in Sanskrit. What do we use in English? Like noun, pronoun, they are always like karta. When I want to use for karma, to, by, with, like third case. If I want to say I go by car, है ना? Then car word third vibhakti I will do. Yanena gacchami. All these we will practice it properly. But just now today I introduced this. Okay. So in English we say agent, accusative, instrumental, ablative, dative, many things, vocative, different difficult names are there. So you feel sir knows many things. No, only 7-8 names are there. Okay. Now for Hindi, I will write. And then
sir,
if you have
these are not prepositions. We can't use the, they are similar to preposition, no? In,
yes. Yes. This is the application of vibhakti. Like I want to say, in Mumbai, I live. Or on paper, I am writing. So on paper. So paper word, what is Sanskrit? Kargadaha. Then of that 7th vibhakti I will make. Aham kargade likhami. So in is used there. Because I said kargade. This is understood. Applications you will understood after some time, because today first time you are seeing. But you can ask a doubt. Yes, of course, these are prepositions only. But this is how we used in vibhakti. Like if I want to say by with, in Sanskrit I will just use Tritiya vibhakti over. I don't have to use by, means another word for that. If I want to use for Rama, okay, see, for all vibhakti, I am making one sentence. Okay, you will understand what it is actually. Pay attention now. Okay, Ramah bhavati. One first vibhakti I use Ramah. Okay, then second vibhakti I am using Sita, prathama vibhakti, Ramam pashyati. Now you see, same Rama, Dvitiya vibhakti I wrote, did means to Rama, like Sita sees to Rama, right? S-E-S-E-S, sees to Rama. So two I used Ramam, that's all. Means what? One word is going, we are going to decline in 7 cases, 7 vibhakti, like prathama vibhakti, Ram shabda prathama, dvitiya. So Ramam means what? When you say Ramam, means to Rama. When you say Ramaha, means what? Karta Ram. When you will say, when you understand Tritiya vibhakti, you will say Ramena. Ramena means what? By Rama. When you say Ramaya, Chaturthi vibhakti means what? For Rama. When you say Ramat, which is Panchami, we haven't seen that. When that means from Rama. We'll see one word in next class, like how to decline full, and then we'll make sentences. Today you just, this is in second chapter I introduced now. If you don't understand, you tell me. Now I am going to write in Hindi. Okay. Without vibhakti, we can't form a sentence. Without vibhakti, like I am writing here, prathama vibhakti means nothing is used, like Rama, Vasant, Krishna. There is no any preposition or anything, any pratyaya vikram, nothing. But when we say Ramam, that means ko in Hindi. Marathi also I can tell, like Salate, Salanate, means Ramas. But it will be too much then. Marathi, Hindi, English, Sanskrit. Okay. Application is big application we have for this. Ne, you just write down. Next class we'll see more of this. We'll start with this. But you have to write sentences. Okay. First chapter sentences. Okay. Ne dwara. Then Chaturthi vibhakti we have ke liye. This is going on in Hindi. Ke liye. From means say. Say. Like Ram se 10 रुपए लिए. Say. This also PowerPoint I will send. 2 I will send. Say or 1 I will make and then send. और यहाँ पर का.
Sir,
Yes,
in the video, no, PowerPoint is not very clearly seen. Like, you know, the letters are very small. So what can be done when you see the YouTube, no, PowerPoint is shown, but you know the letters are not very clear. Can you simply send PowerPoint like that?
हाँ, PowerPoint I will send. Yes. Or you will get everything, but for extra, you will have videos also. That is the
okay. Because in the video, no, when PowerPoint is shown, we are not able to clearly see it.
See,
though we are writing.
These videos are recorded on Zoom.
Correct.
Not on mobile. So clarity won't be there. 140 MB, 200 MB. Clarity won't be there. So that is the advantage. Otherwise, everybody will learn online only. Ka, ki, ke. And then here, may or par. May or par. Like Ram में मेरी श्रद्धा है. घर में मेरा मन है. में. And vocative के लिए हे. संबोधन. ओके. हे भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. हे, कहाँ जा रहे हो? हे. और भो. भो also we say, but I also we say. But hey, you just write down simple one. English name for each vibhakti I will give later. Just like we wrote karta here means agent, Karma means accusative, like that, all in next class. This you understood. With the help of these chat only we make any sentence in Sanskrit. Any sentence. Like Ram ka bhai Lakshman hai. So Ram ka means I have to use ka means sixth case. What is the sixth case of Rama? Then we will by heart. What is Rama? Ramo. Ramasya. Like that we'll go. Lakshman asti. So Lakshman, there is no any word like ko, se, dwara, nothing. I will just say it is a karta. Lakshmanaha. Application you will understand later. It is not that easy. But chat you have to remember. Okay. First chapter sentence you have to write because I didn't take practice it. I don't know much. Easy. You all know. That is why I didn't take. Okay. जैसे देखो एक small sentence I will write. Done this writing? Writing is over. One small application I will do last 2-3 minutes. Easy. That sentence you will only make. Ready? Chalo. I am writing. In English I will writing Rama. Ram sees Rama, like Ram को देखता है. This simple sentence you will tell me in Sanskrit without teaching. Ram को देखता है. So you must know this table. Your table should be in front of you. Ram को. So first is Rama. No, nothing is there. So I can just say Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti means no other things will be there like ko, ke, like to, with, nothing. Just first letter. Okay. Ram को. Like लिखता है. Simple I will write. लिखता है. Because you know लिखती. What he writes, that is different thing. Ram को लिखता है. So this ko means what? Here you can come and see. Oh, ko means second case. Ko. Okay. Second case means Dvitiya Vibhakti. So what is the second case of Rama? We already know. So here Rama is only written. So Rama means which case? Ko, nothing, no case. Okay, first case. And you already know ki how to find karta, karma. So it is easy. Okay. Sir, it is not that easy. Yeah, it is not that easy, but it is not difficult also. So I can say Ramah because Prathama Vibhakti, know anything. I can say Ramam because we know Dvitiya Vibhakti of Ram Shabda. Okay, if Krishna ko, then Krishnam. And लिखता है मतलब we know dhatu also लिखती. Why लिखती? Because only one Rama is there. Yes, no, कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, समझ रहे हैं? Yes, no, please say. Because this table made us help, helped us. Ramah Ramam likhati. Like
what
if I want.
Meaning, what is the meaning? Ramah Ramam likhati means what?
हाँ, ऊपर लिखा है Rama writes to Rama.
Okay.
In English.
Himself.
हाँ. Means there could be two Ramas.
Okay. Okay.
Depending upon who is saying what. Now you will understand 100% clear last sentence. Okay. ईश्वर विद्यालय जाता है. Okay, this you will send विद्यालय को ऐसे बोलूंगा मैं for your understanding. विद्यालय को जाता है ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं, but in English we say he goes to school, like Lord goes to. So to I means second case. You will write it down now. हाँ, ईश्वर विद्यालय को जाता है. सिंपल सेंटेंस. बोलिए सेंटेंस कोई भी.
ईश्वरः विद्यालयं गच्छति.
हाँ. So why we did Vidyalayam here? हाँ. But why Dvitiya? Because ko pratyay you can say, or ko this preposition came there, you can say for your sake. So that is why I say Vidyalayam and Gachati. Okay. Now one simple rule I will tell you and then we'll end. Simple rule is what? Without pratyaya, like Ishwara, Ishwara Vidyalaya Gachati, never happen in Sanskrit. There will be some pratyaya, some or the other pratyaya will be there. Like you can't say Rama Gachati. Ramaha should be there. All out of 7 vibhaktis, at least 1 vibhakti will be there. Very important rule. When I ask you something, you just say Rama Gachati. You forget to say Ramaha. That much important is there. Importance is there. Like Sutra I will write and will conclude. Apadam. Apadam means what? Apadam means Mool Shabda. Like Mool Dhatu is Apadam. Mool Dhatu. I have not added anything. But when I will never say Rama Bhu. I have to say Bhavati. Ramaha Bhavati. I can't say Rama Bhavati. Ramaha Bhavati. Are you getting it? Like I can't say Ramaha Bhu or Likha. No. Full I have to say. That is called Apadam. This is Sutra from Panini Maharshi. Apadam na prayunjeta. Don't use like original words as is. Without vibhakti, without like gachati, tas, anti. Without that, don't use anything. It is wrong. Apadam na prayunjeta. This is Sutra on there. In first chapter only. Apadam na prayunjita. Prayunjita. Yes, means we can't use Apadam na prayunjita. Either you say Ramaha or Ramam, whatever vibhakti. Rama will never come. We can say Gachati, Gachata, Gachanti, something. Only Gacha will never come. Means in lot it comes, but only some pratyaya will be there on that. Okay. So I told you 7 vibhaktis. Now ground is prepared. See, I am taking you for granted. You know this, that. And with that, wherever I want to emphasize, I am emphasizing. Understood some new things we saw? Shabdaha we saw today. Like king means Nrupaha. Then we saw some dhatus. 2 additional dhatu we saw, Krandati, which I don't know, but that is not there in book. Additional dhatu we saw, Bhavati means to be. And additional 2 avyay we saw, Anyatra and Sarvatra. Because in flow you remember many things. And 7 vibhaktis, this is really important. Again, I am going to highlight this tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, this is really, really important. If you don't know this, you will not get Sanskrit. If you know this much, you will do wonders. And this is another rule. 2 rules I told, 2 similar shabda, out of them 1 we will use. And apadam na prayunjita means, this is a sutra. Some vibhakti will be there, some pratyaya will be there, some vikarana will be there. Without that, we won't use. Okay? Chalo. Oh.
Last but one slide, just show me, one. I'll take a photo. Last but one, the table.
Table. Yes. You please take. I'm just. Yes. Sure.
Okay, thank you.
I will chant. If you have any doubt, please ask.
No, I was just thinking, Marathi व्याकरण is also quite similar, right? We never say शाळेत
Same.
जातो, शाळेला जातो,
हाँ,
शाळेहून निघाला.
yes, same. Only Marathi in quickly I will tell you. Like Dvitiya Vibhakti means salate, salanate. Like gavas, गावाला. Tritiya Vibhakti means नेईशी, रामाने, रामाशी. चतुर्थी विभक्ती सेम, सलाते, सलनाते किंवा करण्यासाठी, के लिए वी से साठी, करण्याकरिता ऑल्सो वी से. ओके. पंचमी मीन्स
विभक्ती असतात. वी डू विभक्ती लाईक सेम.
yes,
grammar
same.
I don't remember.
Yes, same. We are from Sanskrit only. Okay. पंचमी विभक्ती means ऊन, हून, तून, पेक्षा. गावाहून, पाचातून, रामापेक्षा. Yes, पंचमी से, from. ओके. का, की, के मराठी मध्ये काचीचे, रामाचा, रामाची, रामाचे. षष्टी. सप्तमी रामात, है ना, वी डोंट से मे. रामात, रामा मध्ये, रामाच्या ठाई, ठाई ऑल्सो सी. ठाई आत मध्ये. सेवन केस. सेम मराठी ऑल्सो सेम.
ते सहज बोललं जातं आपल्याला. डोंट रिअलाइज इट.
हाँ, very precise. Marathi is also, Marathi is really different from Sanskrit also. चलो ठीक है. I will chant Shanti Path and then we'll stop. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरिः ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.